Hello and welcome to Pytechie. Today we are diving into a key concept in statistics, the mode. Imagine a classroom full of students and you want to know their favorite programming language. Some say Python, a few say JavaScript, and many shouts Python again. That is when you realize Python is the most popular one in a room. That right there is the mode. In statistics, the mode is the value that appear most frequently in the dataset. It tells us what's most common or popular, whether it is a number, name, or even a product. Here we have three examples. So first one in data, we have a data set 2, 4, 5, 7, 4, 3, 4. These are the data set we have. These are the value in data set we have. So first we will count how many of the each values appear, how many times each of the values appear. So here we can see 2 is appear only one time, and 4 is appear 3 times, 5 appear one time, 7 appear only one time, and 3 also appear one time. So most frequently the frequency of the number is 4. 4 occur 3 times in this data sets. So we can say the mode is 3. In example number 2, we can see that there's a data sets. We have a value 2, 4, 5, 7, 4, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3. Okay. So in this you can see the 2 have occur only once, and then 4 here there is a 3 times. Say 5 is there only once, 7 is only one, and we can say 3 is also 3 times, and 1 is a single time. So we can see 4 and 3 both have a same value count. 4 is 3 times, 3 is also 3 times. So you can say the mode is 4 and 3. In third example, we can see there's all the values are occur only one. Okay, only once. So we can see there's all the values have a same. We can see. So we can say that there's a no mode. Now let's see what is the pros and cons of the modes, when to use the pros, and when to use a mode and when not to use a mode. Pros are the modes are easy to use. Mode is just the most frequent occurring value in a data sets, so it is easy to understand and easy to use. It's not affected by the stream value like mean. In mean, if we have an outlier, then it will be value got affected. So unlike the mean, mode is not get affected by the any outlier or any stream value. It will be useful for the categorical analysis, like if you have some rating, some numbers, then if you want to find like what is the most rating, and then what kind of most feature is used, so you will get that idea from the mode. Cons, like if you see our examples, so in the third example we see there is a no mode, and if we have multiple values have occur the same times, so you can say that there we have a multiple modes. So that's the problem with the mode. In some data set you will get multiple modes, and some data set you don't get any mode. So it is also ignore the other values. It is only focus on the values which is most frequently occur. Others are got ignored. So that's why we don't use that if you have other values, some functionality. If you have a same like continuous data set, or you have a log data sets, then it is also less reliable or less informative. It also leaves the misleading. So these are the pros and cons of the mode. Thanks for the watching video. We'll see you in next one.